guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel with a fresh new video and a fresh new content exclusively for you guys. Once again, welcome back to MC Punya. So ladies and gentlemen, if you're wondering where we are today we are at a place where it's going to be a treat to so many ladies who are watching this video, because we are at Tinge by Sabrina Suhail here in Alsur, Namma, Bengaluru. So guys, Tinge is a bespoke brand which is live from 3 years by Sabrina Suhail. So she is the founder of this brand. What does Tinge make, if you ask me? They customize makeup products. So till now they were doing lipsticks, they do foundations, and they do lip balms, like complete customization. You can customize the color, the texture, and the type of proper shade you want for your type of skin. And it's completely cruelty free, it's vegan, it's organic, and purely handmade. That's the best part. People who are residing in Bangalore can come all the way to Alsur, that is the studio Tinge, and experience by yourself wherein they'll make the entire customization process in front of you guys. So here we are in Tinge. I'm super excited to get to know what all the products are there, how they make it, and the process. I'm pretty excited. Come on, let's see. And before that, do not forget to click onto that subscribe button and the bell button next to it. Click a like if you like this video and share it with your friends and family. Do not forget to drop in your valuable comments in the comment section below, and I'll give out all the details regarding Tinge in my description box. You can go check it out, the location and the products I've purchased. If you want the same color, you can check out the shade in my description box too. You can get your color by then, and the price range, everything I'll mention in the description box below. Do check it out and let me know how this video is. So without further ado, come on, let's quickly go inside and check out how the entire process are made. Come on, let's go.
Okay, fine. What kind of colors were you looking at?
I'm mostly into pinks and reds. For daily use, I use kind of nude.
Okay.
So this is all I've tried till now.
Can you tell me what are you going to be using this for? Every day?
Every day, or sometimes on stage.
For work? Okay.
Mostly like every day.
Okay, so now give me a direction as to whether you want to go nude, red or pink, or do you want to try something like a purple which you don't have?
No purple.
No purple? Okay, so then give me a direction of which way you want to go.
Somewhere towards the pinker side.
Pink? Okay, fine, cool. You like the texture of it? Feels good?
Feels good.
The matte one?
Yeah.
Okay, fine. So let's decide your aroma. Open them
Vanilla
in between.
4.
You sure?
Yeah. What are the kind of ranges like you have in the lip balm and the lip scrub part?
Yeah, so we have one lip scrub which is one of our fastest sellers, and our only lip scrub which is a bamboo fiber.
Okay.
So why I suggest using the bamboo fiber is only because of it being biodegradable, and also it's not as harsh as sugar.
Okay.
Right. So what it does is it rolls on the lips and gently exfoliates only the top of part of the lip, taking off only the slight dead skin on the top. Yeah.
Right.
So, and it's also very hydrating. So once you try it, you'll know that it does hydrate the lip while you scrub it.
Okay.
Which is our fastest seller.
Okay.
Right? It just has a tinge of red, so it's a perfect introduction to a person who wants to start wearing red.
Oh, right.
So if a person wants to start wearing red, when they put on a red, they're like, oh my gosh, this is so red.
Exactly.
This is like a slight introduction to it. Yeah, so they're not scared of it.
Okay.
And then we have Happy Horns. Happy Horns is our orange brown, which has a beautiful gold shine in it. And it's also one of our fastest sellers with slightly warmer skin tones.
Oh, right.
Yeah. These are all agave lip balms.
Okay.
Agave is a plant-based material. It is what we make tequila out of. So the heart of the agave plant is what they make tequila out of. And it also is rich in glycolic acid. Glycolic acid is very nourishing to the skin, and it helps it heal faster.
So yes guys, you just saw we went through the entire process of customization, and we are right here at Tinge by Sabrina Sohail. So we are here with Sabrina along with us, and we'll be having a small interaction what Tinge is all about and what are the products available. So hi.
Hi.
So, thank you so much for
Enjoy it?
Definitely, we did it a lot, and I just want to thank you so much for letting us in and making this entire vlog.
Not a problem. So the thing is, over here at Tinge, we're very transparent with what we do. We are a sustainable organic brand, and we source local also. So what we do over here is we invite clients in to custom make their own products. So custom make their lipsticks, their foundations. We have a whole line of products that are already online, that are already set, that they can pick from also. But what I tend to push a lot of clients to do is come here and custom make it, because it's always about touch, feel, smell, where the experience is much better. So that's why that's what we do over here.
That's so great. Actually, when I went through the entire process, I was pretty excited because we women usually tend to have that love towards makeup, and when we tend to see that entire process in front of our eyes, it is so good. Like when we can see what kind of products are used, and usually when we come across a lot of brands, they use kind of chemicals which are harsh to the skin. And what do you want to say about it? What's your call on that?
Okay, so there are a lot of brands that do use chemicals in their product. I would call them harsh chemicals. I want to explain chemicals in general. So even if you take cucumber and you break it down, it has its chemical composition.
All right.
Right? So the thing is, we do use organic chemical compositions in our products.
Okay.
So if you take, say, for example, glycerine. Glycerine is a natural product, right? So it is a chemical composition. But we source organic glycerine to use in our products. So it's something like that. So there is a misconception with everyone saying that chemicals are bad. Chemicals are used wrong. As in, if you say chemical, it's mentally you think it's a negative. But it's actually not. Yeah. There are a lot of clients who are now turning sustainable, who are turning organic. So they're slowly making the change by if they found the color in a different brand, they're coming to me and saying, hey, I want the same color, but I want to turn organic.
Okay.
So make the same color for me. So I custom make the color. They get to choose their texture, whichever texture they want, which normally most of them are not very happy with what they get in a different company. And of course, aroma is it's an option that no company gives at all. So there are 7 different options that you have over here that you can choose from, which is actually one of the first things what women do when they go into a store. They're like, I want to see a cream, I want to see this. First they go towards attractive packaging. The second thing is they open it and they smell it, right? Yeah. So that is what we want to offer all our clients also, and we do at the studio.
That's so amazing. Basic question. What are the products Tinge customize?
So we customize foundations, we customize concealers, we customize all kinds of lip products.
Okay.
We can customize lip pencils, but we haven't yet started.
Okay.
We, those are the products that we do customize right now.
Amazing. So Tinge is like vegan, and it's like organic,
Yes.
and it is cruelty free, and it's totally handmade. Exactly. You guys saw it is completely handmade.
Yeah.
Okay. And when it comes to the packaging and everything, we did see it was like super premium kind of packaging. And what do you say about refilling? I have heard that you guys refill.
So the packaging was taken a lot of, I sat down with my designer Pallavi Nopani, and we went through a whole process of what I wanted on the packaging. So I wanted it to be unique, I wanted it to be artistic, I wanted it to be completely different from any other product. So what Pallavi did was she came to the studio and she actually took pictures of me mixing color and turn that into a vector and put it onto the packaging. So what you see on the packaging are actually strokes, or it's basically strokes of the lipstick being spread.
Wow.
Yeah, so that has been adapted to all the different products, and there is Sheba on the top, which is my little ladybird. I've named her Sheba after the Queen of Sheba, and she's brought in a lot of luck for me. So they say ladybirds bring in a lot of luck. Yeah, so that's Sheba, and we also have a return for refill policy, where you see return for refills on the top flap of the product. On the secondary packaging, which is the cardboard packaging, where you bring back the product after it's over and we refill it with the same product for a 15% discount.
All right.
Yeah, the reason why we're doing this is because we're a sustainable brand. We don't want you to throw away the product. And we tried bamboo packaging, where we had problems where mold was growing on the packaging because it was completely natural, but the inside was plastic. So the people had to take it out and dispose of it separately, which most people didn't know they had to do, and most people did not dispose of it responsibly. Plus the shelf life reduced because the fungus growing on the outer covering of the bamboo packaging. So like these are the things that we explored, and plastic was kind of unavoidable for this, right? We had to use plastic for our products in order for it to be safe for our clients to use. So what better than we found a way to clean the inside of the packaging, right? And then y'all come back, we clean it, and then we refill it with the same product. So so we're very excited about that.
That's like so much of information.
Yes.
We were not aware about the fungus when we get to go towards the organic side of the packaging also. That's very true. Thank you so much for enlightening us. I was quite impressed about the lip scrub because I love lip scrubs. I have a really dry skin, wherein my lips tend to dry out very easily, and I'll get that scalps of dry lips.
Right.
So how is the lip scrub made, and what are the ingredients used in that?
Right. So our lip scrub is primarily bamboo fibers, and it is also agave. So bamboo fibers are very, very fine. So what happens is they roll on the lip, taking off only the top layer of the lip. And it has agave in it, which is rich in glycolic acid, which helps after it takes it off, right? It tends to start healing, right? So it starts healing the top surface of your lip.
We Bangaloreans, like the Tinge is in Bangalore, and we tend to come here, and we have the pride to come here and experience all the customization. So what if people are from other parts of the country or other parts of the world?
Yeah, so we should be releasing the custom website very, very soon. We have been working on it with a Bombay-based company for the past 1 year.
All right.
And yeah, so people all over the world can custom make their lipstick, custom make their lip gloss, custom make their foundations, custom make their concealers. So we're opening it up to infinity. I mean, you can do whatever you want.
That's really amazing.
Yeah.
So, if people can like place an order from any part of the world,
Any part of the world, yeah.
That's
and
great.
of course, the experience isn't going to be as good as actually getting it done in front of you. But then, hey, you still get to customize it and get whatever you want.
true that.
Yeah.
We Bangaloreans are like, lucky enough.
Very lucky.
Very nice. You being in the makeup industry from past 15 years maybe, and what kind of tips or what kind of advice you would like to give for all the ladies out there who's watching this video or who uses makeup on regular basis?
Right. I would say be yourself. Don't go via trends. You create your own trend, because what a superstar or movie star is wearing might not be your style. You don't have to be them. Be yourself and do exactly what you want to do. That way, when you go out and meet people, you still look like you can still be you. So yeah, that's my advice to you.
That's very thoughtful. Thank you so much. And truly, I had an amazing experience here in Tinge. Thank you so much. Probably I will like shift from all the other products I was using till now to organic, and
Great. Yeah.
we should do some justice to our skin too.
Of course.
Thank you very, very much for giving your time. It was really great interacting with you. Thank you once again.
Thank you.
So, ladies and gentlemen, these are the products which I customize here in Tinge, and I had an amazing experience witnessing all these process in front of me, and it definitely is giving a whole new level for the makeup lovers. So, you can definitely come over here, take a look at that, and experience by yourself. If you like this video, do not forget to click on to that like button and drop in your comments in the comment section below. Do not forget to click on to that subscribe button and the bell button next to it. It encourages me to make more videos, and to get the notifications of my newly posted videos, do click on to that bell button. So ladies and gentlemen, we'll come up with a new content in a new video next week. We'll see you next week. Until then, keep smiling and have a fantastic week ahead. This is signing off from MC Punya. Ta-ta, bye-bye, take care.